Well, good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to the Walk into the Future with Trexo Robotics.
The idea for Trexo actually started through a very personal journey. A few years ago, my nephew, Pranit, was diagnosed with cerebral palsy and was told that he would never walk. The thought of my nephew never taking his first steps, never running with other kids on the playground, inspired us to find a solution.
Something every child needs that have limited movement. Ability for Coop to walk in something like a Trexo is a game changer.
We could now set precise gait patterns, adjusting hip and knee flexion for flexion and extension, stride length, speed, all perfectly tailored to each child's presentation. The Trexo delivered thousands of steps in a single session. Children are more engaged, more motivated, and we as therapists can focus on the quality of movement and technique.
My first thought seeing it in action today was the big smile the little boy who trialled it had on his face. It's pretty awesome and something I think, again, we all take for granted, being able to walk on 2 feet.
It's something really special watching parents' reactions when they're watching their kid take their first steps. Changes what is possible in their minds.
You can see a whole child's perception shift. The first time in a Trexo, you can watch their eyes follow a really distinct path. They look down and see their legs moving, and then forward, I'm moving in space. And then the magic really comes at that 10-second mark, that part that they look to their side, and you can see that they're walking by your side. I'm moving with you.
Suddenly the world isn't above them, it's around them. They can move with it, be part of it, and not just observe it.
Yeah, to allow my little girl Frankie to actually be able to walk, and whether that's walk on her own or walk in a piece of equipment for the rest of her life, at least she can stand up and feel involved in the community, which is obviously something that everybody deserves and everybody should have.
Stories and experiences are what bring equipment to life. When we can associate it with someone's life and how it improves it, that's what we're here for.